Hey, this is Justin Popovich, co-founder of the site you're on right now, toolsformotivation.com. You can see my picture along with my business partner, Ted Payne. Both of us are on the screen there. And we have a very special offer that I'd like to walk you through in this video. But just before we get into that, a quick note, if this is your first time here, toolsformotivation.com, we are a content licensing business, sometimes also known as private label rights. And our job is to create content that is fully editable, rebrandable, and changeable so that you can download a license of it, modify it, and then publish this content as your own. If you want to sell your own self-help or motivational style products, if you want to create courses, videos, audios, ebooks, downloads, whatever, we have tons of material that can help you do it, save you lots of time and money in the process. And this week we have a new product called Foundation. It's all about basic success skills. So this package will break down some of the fundamentals of success that will really apply to anybody that's looking to achieve more in their life. If they want to set some really big, exciting goals and work their way towards them, there are some success principles that really apply to anyone, regardless of what their field of specialty is, whatever endeavor they're pursuing. There are some fundamentals that apply to everyone, and those fundamentals are the following: goal setting, decision making, organization, time management, communication, networking, positivity or having a positive attitude, discipline, patience, and focus. So in this package, we have a fully done-for-you digital product that walks your readers, your clients and customers through all 10 of these and allows them to build that fundamental building blocks of success. Again, whatever their goals or ambitions may be, all of these things will apply and will help them achieve success more quickly. So what I'm going to do now is flip over to a live demo of my screen and show you exactly what we've built for you here today. If you decide to take us up on this offer, everything you see on my screen will now be available to you to start using in your own business. Again, if you want to publish your own products or you need marketing material for your website and so on, this will come in handy. So let's take a look at what this product looks like. So here is a live look at my computer, and this is the Foundation product, what it looks like behind the scenes. So there's no guesswork here. If you decide to take us up on our offer, this is what you'll see. And it starts off at a high level. It looks pretty basic, but as I dive in here, you're going to see there's a lot of content that our team has pre-built for you here. And remember, you can edit, customize, and change all of this as you go through. And it's broken into 4 folders here: premium, lead generation, branding, and social. And the names are kind of self-explanatory. I'll expand as we go through here. Premium folder, this is content designed for you to be able to sell. So let's say, for example, you want to publish an ebook on your website, maybe offer it to your website visitors for $20. They can download it and read it instantly. This ebook will basically give you all the content you need to do that. So we have a Word doc version of it. We have a Pages version. So whether you're on a Mac or a PC, we've got you covered. And all you have to do is go in there, read the book, see which pieces you like, what you want to change, what you want to leave. Maybe you just like it the way it is. That's fine. Add and remove to it as you see fit. We have a whole bunch of artwork done for you here as well. So as I scroll through, you can see we've built a bunch of different covers for you. You can use them as is, but we've also included the source files used to make those. So if you want to change, let's say you don't like that blue color scheme, go ahead and change it. Make it orange, make it red. Maybe remove the photo of the guy on the rock there and looking over the water and change it with some other inspirational image that you prefer. All of that, again, that's the beauty of private label or white label content, is all of this is customizable. We've just given you a framework or a baseline to start with, and then you decide how much effort and change you want to make. So the ebook is ready to go for sale. We've also built an enhanced ebook. This is kind of a nice feature because our design team has taken that text-based content that I just showed you and put it into a nicer looking layout like so. So it's a little bit more of like a magazine style. It's the same lessons, it's the same text, teaching these 10 fundamental skills that we talked about, but just giving a kind of a nicer look and feel to it. If you want to publish something that's nicely designed without spending the time, you could use this version of the ebook as well. That's also fully customizable, so go ahead and change what you see fit. And then we have a workbook. So this is key. If you want people to actually take action on the lessons, the workbook will help them go step by step through each skill, each of the 10 building blocks of success, and make sure they actually have a firm grasp on what to do. This workbook itself also has some covers here, you can see. So if you're publishing maybe multiple parts, or you want to just correctly demonstrate everything that's included in this package, use this artwork to do that on your website as well. But again, fully customizable. Open the Word doc or open the Pages version and see if you need to make any changes, or maybe you want to change the exercises that we've recommended they use or follow. Go ahead and do that. So that's the premium folder. Lots of material in there that you could package up and sell. You could also use it for lead generation as well. So you don't have to sell it. The only thing we ask you not to do with premium is don't publish it freely on like a blog post or social media. We want to make sure that content stays premium and people have to pay or at least opt into your list to get access to it. Next one down is lead generation. So here we have a lead generation report. It's similar to the other document I showed you, but it's shorter. It's 1,500 words versus 6,000. And it also comes with a cover like this. So what you would do here, this one's called Small Habits. So it kind of introduces the topic of the 10 building blocks of success in the foundation package. Just gets people kind of thinking and introduces them to it to get them excited to read more, right? So what you would do here, again, open up the Word doc version or the Pages version, read through it, make any changes, and then publish it as a PDF or anything else that you prefer. Then we've included some pre-written emails. So there's 10 emails in total that you can copy and paste into your autoresponder. If somebody joins your list to get this report, you want to make sure that they're actually using that information. So each day for 10 days, or maybe every second day for 20 days, however you choose to do this, send them an email, remind them of the content that you've shared with them in your lead generation report. Each day they'll learn something from this, and then you can maybe incent them to buy something from you, like the workbook along with the ebook. Maybe you have something else in a course that you've created. I'm not really sure what it is. Use that to your advantage because those emails are pre-written. Then there's a slide deck as well. So let's say you want to do what I'm doing now. You pull up some slides, you talk into a microphone and teach some lessons. We have the main lessons from the ebook extracted into a nice looking PowerPoint and Keynote deck here. So simply pop it open. Again, make any changes to the slides that you want. Publish it as a slideshow, publish it as a video if you record your voice over it, whatever you want to do there. Again, this is really good for lead generation. You could also put this as part of your sales package. That's up to you. Now we have a branding folder. So in the branding folder, this stuff is designed to help you spread the word. So here you can take anything in this folder, publish it on Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or on your blog or on article sharing sites, really anywhere you see fit that's publicly available, go ahead and do it. Start with the articles, pop open this folder. You'll see there's 10 articles in total. We've got a Word doc version here. Maybe you want to change some of them or merge them together to make longer articles, whatever. Read through these, see what you want to use in your marketing, and then start using it, start publishing it online. Okay, and we've also done some work for you here. We've repurposed those articles into reports. So you can see report 1 and report 2. Each one has 5. We've taken every one of those articles and put it into a slide deck. So these are good for making shareable content, right? If I quickly pop that open, here's a slide deck version of that article. But it just gives you another format that you can use to share the same information, but with a different potential audience, right? Now we've got a checklist. The checklist is a short summary of the main lessons in the ebook that we talked about in the premium folder. This is also shareable. Publish it anywhere, put it up as a blog post, use it as content to get people over to join your list or buy stuff from you. You want to get as many eyeballs on this stuff as possible. This checklist might be a good way of capturing attention in certain markets. And then we've got some blog headers. So these are nice if you want to kind of enhance the look and feel of your blog. We've kind of designed some nice looking graphics that you can use on the top of your blog posts. So that's the branding folder. And then last but not least is the social folder. Lots of information in here that you can be sharing, starting with not quote, but tips posters. 20 different posters designed with different tips. There are 5 styles in total with 4 tips per style. So you can see we've got a green style here with 4 tips. The next one down is, what is this one here? This is more of a blue, kind of dark blue style with some additional tips, and so on. Each one of these posters can be published on social media. You can publish it as a blog post. In some of my other work, I've actually used these posters in videos, so you can get pretty creative with this stuff. We've also, and again, these posters are editable, by the way. So if you have the skills or someone on your team has the skills, you can go in and change those as well. You don't have to use them exactly as we've created them. All of this is editable, like our infographic. So here's an infographic with a bunch of tips on building blocks or basic success skills. You can share this as is, put your logo at the bottom of it, and then publish it up to Pinterest as an example, or again, make some changes and use it in creative ways. We've got a bunch of tweets pre-written for you. Copy and paste these into your Twitter feed to get people interested in the fundamentals of success. Same thing with Facebook. We've written 20 different Facebook posts for you, so you can just copy and paste those into your Facebook feed and give people some good tips about success skills. We've also pre-created some Pinterest posts for you, so quickly scroll through those. You can see them on the sales page as well. And Instagram posts. So they've all been sized correctly for those platforms just to save you time and let you just get going and running with this stuff. Again, you don't have to use it exactly as we've created it. Go ahead and make any customizations you want. But you can see here, we've built a ton of material for you. All you have to do is pick up this package, download it, decide what you want to change, what you want to publish, and you're off and running. So that's about it. If you have any questions, scroll to the bottom of this page or hit the contact link and let us know. We're standing by to help. This is on special for a very short period of time before the price goes way up. And you can still buy it, but why not get in now at our special offer price? So make sure that you do ask us your questions now so we can handle those for you. Once again, this has been Justin Popovich. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the inside.